Good morning, children. How are you all doing? I hope you all are fine and studying well. In today's class, we are going to start a new lesson, Northern Plains. So, children, let's begin with the class. Let us try to understand what is the meaning of plain. A plain is a flat area made up of fertile land. What is the meaning of fertile here? Fertile means the land on which plants can grow easily. You may ask why these plants can grow easily on these fertile lands? Because these land contains some manures which helps the plant to grow well. Now let us find the location of the northern plains. These northern plains are located in the south of the Himalayas and they are spread from Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. Many important rivers like the Ganga, the Brahmaputra, the Indus, and the Satluj flow in this region. All these rivers originate from the Himalayas. They are perennial rivers. Why they are called perennial rivers? They are called perennial rivers because they don't dry up. It means they have water throughout the year. And these rivers bring broken rocks, sand, and silt with them. And it is called as alluvial soil. This alluvial soil is very fertile in nature and they are good for crops. The northern plains are a major crop growing area and it is highly or thickly populated. In this region, many small rivers join the main rivers. These small rivers are called tributaries. Now you understand the meaning of tributaries? Tributaries means small rivers which join the main rivers. Now, let us see the division of northern plains. The northern plains are divided into three basins. First, the Ganga River Basin in the center, the Brahmaputra River Basin in the east, and the Satluj River Basin in the west. Now, let us start with the Ganga River Basin. But before that, let me explain you what is the meaning of a basin. The basin is the area of land which is drained or watered by a river and its tributaries. Tributaries, as I told you, are small rivers which join the main river. So, the origin of river Ganga is in Gangotri glacier in the Himalaya mountains. The main states which comes under this region are Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal. This river Ganga enters into the plain at Haridwar and its main tributary is Yamuna. The place where these two rivers, that is the Ganga and the Yamuna, meets is called the Sangam, and where it meets at Allahabad. Besides Yamuna, the other tributaries of the river Ganga are the Ghagra, Gomti, Gandak, Kosi, Chambal, Betwa and Son. When this river Ganga enters into West Bengal, it divides into two branches. One branch enters into Bangladesh and it is called Padma, and whereas the other branch which enters into the West Bengal is called Hooghly. The delta called Sundarbans, which is formed by the river Ganga and Brahmaputra, is the world's largest delta. The Ganga basin is very fertile and the main crops grown here are rice, wheat, sugarcane, millets and jute. This basin is called as the food bowl of India. Now let us see about the Brahmaputra Basin. The Brahmaputra Basin covers the states of Assam and Tripura. This river originates in Tibet and named as Sangpo. It enters in India through Arunachal Pradesh and flows through Assam before entering Bangladesh. Its main tributaries are Lohit, Dibang, Dhanshiri and Manas. The Ganga and the Brahmaputra rivers form the largest delta in the world, which is known as the Sundarbans Delta, before it falls into the Bay of Bengal. The main crops which are grown here are rice and jute. Now, let us see the Satluj river basin. The Satluj basin spreads mainly across Haryana and Punjab. The important states of this basin are Chandigarh, Jalandhar, Patiala, Ludhiana, and Ambala. Its main tributary is the river Bees. You will find the famous Bhakra Nangal Dam here. This dam is built on this river Satluj. What is the meaning of dam? A dam is a wall which is built across a river to hold the water and to form a lake behind it. This dam provides water for irrigation and produces hydroelectricity. What is the meaning of hydroelectricity here? Hydroelectricity means electricity which is generated by water. The Indira Gandhi Canal on Satluj provides water to Rajasthan. The important crops which are grown here are wheat, rice, sugarcane, cotton, barley, maize, oilseeds and millets. So children, before we conclude our lesson, let us recall the northern plains of India is located in the south of the Himalayas. These northern plains can be divided into three basins: the Ganga river basin in the center, the Brahmaputra river basin in the east, and the Satluj river basin in the west. Many important rivers like the Ganga, the Brahmaputra and Indus and the Satluj flows through these northern plains, and they have originated from the Himalayas. So, children, I hope you have understood the concept which has been taught today. Listen to the video so that you can understand it very well. In the next class, we will see the life in the Ganga basin, the life in the Brahmaputra basin, and the life in the Satluj basin. Till then, keep learning, stay home, and stay safe.